So to start off with, I stippled on a pale pink and a lilac face paint all over my face and down onto my neck. Using black face paint, I then painted on some big typical alien eyes. I left some gaps where I wanted to add some white paint to add highlights to the eyes, and then I painted the rest of the eyes in black. Went into this dark purple face paint and I painted on some different planets and also some stars. Using a white face paint, I then went in and I added highlights to the eyes, details on the planets to make them look a bit more realistic. I also added stars and just different highlights, spacey highlights around the face. To add to the space theme, I also painted a rocket. I then went into this dark purple eyeshadow and I just added some shadows underneath the planets and also defined under my cheekbones. I wanted it to look like the alien girl was coming out of my body, so I then went into a white face paint and highlighted around the edge of my skin, and then went into an eyeshadow and created these ripples. I've done this a few times so you can see how I do that in my other videos as well. I added some purple eyeshadow around my mouth to get this smoky look, and then I added a black liquid lipstick. I added some fine iridescent glitter to random parts of the space face, and then I also added some chunky silver glitter into my hair, or wig should I say.